So this is another under 5 minutes segment. Now these are the things that might surprise you if you come to the Philippines. Number one is Filipino are very sensitive to body odor, not any other smell, just body odor. So when you come here, make sure you keep that at the back of your mind. It's not offensive or anything, it's just that they are very sensitive to body odor. Number two is noise. Here in the Philippines, noise pollution is, I don't know how much it's ranked in the world, but it's really noisy outside in the public area or just along the barangay or in your house anywhere. It's noisy. Karaoke is every day, and when payday comes it gets worse. Number three, rice is life. Any part of the day when Filipino eat, rice will always be there. Rice is omnipresent. Yeah, rice is life in the Philippines, so everything and anything goes with rice if you are here in the Philippines. This is the most frustrating one, is Filipino time. There's a saying in Philippines that says that it's better to be late than never. Yeah, we also, my country, we have like PNC time, but it's usually like 30, 40 to 1 hour late. Philippines, they take it extra mile. So there's a saying in the Philippines that it's better to be late than never. Number four, I think it's toilet paper. Filipino, they don't use toilet paper, so you have to bring toilet paper whenever or wherever you go out. Right? They only use the tabo. Yeah. So yeah, Filipino, they don't use toilet paper. They wash up the bottom part of their body. So, and then the fifth one is pasalubong. So pasalubong is a very big thing in the Philippines. It's basically gift. So when you travel out to somewhere and when you come back, you have to bring gift from that particular area or place. It's called pasalubong. So yeah, just be aware of that. And then the last one is Filipino have the foreign price and Filipino price, so you have to be aware of that going into buying stuff. So as much as possible, try to speak Tagalog, or no, bring a Filipino or Filipina with you to negotiate the price, because if they see only foreigner, the price kind of double up. Anyway, I hope this is already 5 minutes. So yeah, these are the things that you should be aware of before coming to the Philippines, or you are already in the Philippines. So anyway, see you on the next one.